How to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. So if you want to stop someone from saving your snaps on your Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Now, once you open up your Snapchat, you just need to simply take a snap. For example, I've just taken a snap. Now, if you want to send this, and if you don't want the other person to save the snap, then what you need to do is just simply tap on send to. But before that, you need to go with the right side and make sure that you've choose like 9 seconds or any other seconds, like you'll have 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 10, right? So you just need to simply select from 1 to 10, but not the infinite one, because if you've chosen no limit, then it says snaps and stories set to no limit can be saved by your friends. So make sure that you've not set your snaps to no limit. Make sure that you've set to 10 seconds or 9 or 8, anything like that. So I'll just simply go with 2 seconds or 3 and then go with send to and send. Now once you've sent, if you open the snap, then as you can see that the other person will not have the option to save it. So that's how you can stop someone from saving your snaps on your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.